Hello everyone, Jeff Meyer here from the Landmark Group at Compass. I wanted to give you an update on Beach Park Village, our latest new home community in Flagler Beach. This development is progressing beautifully, with homes now available for sale starting in the mid-300,000s. Designed by KB Homes, these properties offer modern amenities, including spacious bedrooms, state-of-the-art kitchens, and expansive living areas that perfectly cater to the laid-back beach lifestyle. Beach Park Village is perfectly situated to offer the best of both worlds, a serene beach lifestyle with convenient access to larger cities. We're just a short drive from major cities like Orlando, Jacksonville, and Daytona Beach. This makes it an ideal location for those who want to enjoy the tranquility of beach living while staying connected to urban amenities. Beach Park Village is just a short bike ride from downtown Flagler Beach, where you can explore charming local shops, dine at locally owned beachfront restaurants, and enjoy vibrant community events. The community's prime location near state parks, pristine beaches, and outdoor recreational areas makes it an ideal place for families and individuals looking for a blend of comfort and convenience. Flagler Beach is perfect for those who love the outdoors and a relaxed, friendly atmosphere. If you're interested in finding your dream home in Beach Park Village or want more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, visit our Beach Park Village community website, or contact us directly to schedule a tour and see firsthand what makes this community so special. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.